Unfolding the meaning. Understanding fold'em in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language and learning. Today, we have a unique phrase on the table that might have piqued your curiosity. Fold'em. What does it mean? Where does it come from? How can we use it in a sentence? Don't worry, we're here to unfold all these questions together. The phrase, fold'em, is actually a contraction of fold them. It's a colloquial and informal way of saying that someone should give up, stop their current course of action, or admit defeat. This phrase has its roots in poker, a card game where players can choose to fold, meaning they give up their cards because they think they can't win the round. Example: if you're holding a weak hand in poker, your friends might advise, it's time to fold 'em. While fold'em originated in the realm of card games, it has since transcended those boundaries and found its way into everyday language. People use it in various situations to imply that it's better to give up or stop what they're doing because continuing might lead to worse outcomes. Example: if someone is in a bad relationship, a friend might say, "This isn't healthy for you. You should fold 'em and move on." Using fold'em requires an understanding of the context. It's informal, so it's best used among friends or in casual settings. It implies a surrender or cessation of action, so ensure that it's appropriate for the situation. Example: in a workplace setting, if a project is failing despite best efforts, a colleague might suggest, maybe it's time to fold 'em and start fresh on something new. And there we have it, folks. We've unfolded the meaning and uses of fold'em today. Remember, language is versatile and constantly evolving, and phrases like these add a unique flair to our communications. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds a new phrase to your English vocabulary arsenal. Until next time, keep learning and never stop exploring the wonders of English.